Welcome to this video on Diagnosing Organizations, presented by Dr. Rabel Catayoc. Organizational diagnosis is a systematic approach to examine problems, identify underlying causes, and provide a basis for solutions. It serves as a foundation for implementing organizational, productivity, and strategy interventions, covering departments, products, relationships, and structure. The diagnostic process involves several steps: identifying possible problem areas, gathering and analyzing relevant data, presenting findings, specifying target clients, selecting change intervention strategies, determining the degree of change attained, and implementing the change. Collecting and analyzing diagnostic information can be done through floating questionnaires, conducting interviews, observing, and holding informal group sessions. Gathering unobtrusive data requires clear objectives and accurate identification of significant variables. Diagnostic information analysis utilizes both qualitative and quantitative tools. Qualitative tools include content analysis and interviews, while quantitative tools involve statistical measures, frequency distributions, and inferential statistics. Feeding back diagnostic information should be accurate, direct, clear, and verifiable to ensure effective communication and understanding. Survey feedback combines data collection and information feedback. The process includes preparing the survey, tabulating and analyzing results, and feeding them back to top management. Feedback meetings are held for clarification and to gather suggestions for intervention strategies. This section of the video focuses on designing organization development interventions, presented by Dr. Rabel Catayoc. Intervention strategies are well-planned actions to improve performance and increase organizational effectiveness. Effectiveness depends on fitting the organization's needs, having the necessary skills and expertise, and enhancing the capacity to manage change. Organization development interventions should have specificity regarding goals, change targets, the extent of the intervention, and the internal support and managerial sponsorship needed. Factors affecting intervention success include individual, group, and organizational factors, the change process, readiness for change, professional capability, organization culture, a shared vision, and distinct behavioral norms. Types of organization development interventions are designed to focus on individual, group, and organizational issues, leading to organizational change through organizational, productivity, and strategy interventions. Organizational interventions encompass self-interventions, training on self-knowledge, time and stress management, career planning, team and intergroup dynamics, goal setting, MBO, the managerial grid, survey research and feedback, Likert System 4, and job formulation. Productivity interventions utilize quality concepts and tools such as total quality management systems, statistical quality control, quality function deployment, self-managed work teams, benchmarking, Six Sigma, just-in-time, and continuous quality improvement. Strategy interventions focus on using the balanced scorecard, re-engineering, transformational dynamism, culture change, learning organizations, and knowledge management. Selection criteria for an organization development intervention technique revolve around results, implementation, and acceptability. We must ask, will it solve the real problem? Is it workable and cost-effective? And is it acceptable to the clients? Forms of organizational interventions include self-interventions, which focus on employee involvement and empowerment. Training in self-knowledge develops self-awareness and leadership skills, helping individuals discover blind spots. Time management as an intervention addresses the pressures of the age of convenience and the human chain to technology, as well as the commercial paradigm and restlessness of living, and children's playtime, where time is a critical resource. Stress management is closely linked to time management, dealing with stress as an unavoidable emotional and physiological response. Career planning focuses on professional growth. Team interventions emphasize effective managerial and team-building skills for cohesive and dynamic teams. Intergroup interventions address issues like sub-optimization and competition between groups. Goal setting emphasizes specific, measurable, and attainable targets compatible with organizational goals. Management by objectives, or MBO, involves management and members identifying common goals and expected outcomes. The MBO process includes defining objectives, reviewing tasks, agreeing on specific objectives, preparing individual targets, establishing feedback, periodic review, and performance-based rewards. The managerial grid, designed by Blake and Mouton, is a systematic approach to achieving corporate excellence. It identifies leadership styles based on a concern for results and people, ranging from impoverished to team leader. Survey research and feedback is a method for changing work relationships and measuring the effects of changes. Likert System 4 focuses on understanding and maximizing human capabilities. Job formulation is a three-phase process of job analysis, design, and redesign. Productivity interventions are adopted to achieve quality and productivity. Quality is defined as the totality of a product or service's ability to satisfy needs. Key American quality gurus include Edward Deming, Philip Crosby, Joseph Giron, and Armand Feigenbaum. Notable Japanese quality gurus are Kaoru Ishikawa, who focused on statistical quality techniques, Shigeo Shingo, and Junichi Taguchi, who developed ideas like the quadratic loss function and parameter design. Total Quality Management, or TQM, refers to managing activities to improve product or service quality in the age of global competitiveness. A quality management system, QMS, is a regulated system to ensure conforming products. Statistical process control uses statistics to identify variability and inefficiencies. Quality function deployment, QFD, emphasizes product development from conception until the end of its expected life. Problem-solving groups, such as quality circles, analyze and investigate department, product, or process problems. Benchmarking is a systematic compilation of methods to significantly improve performance and strengthen competitiveness. The 5S practice, originating in Japan, is a basic tool for good quality housekeeping and improving productivity. Six Sigma is a quality tool emphasizing the significant reduction of defects and wastes, aiming for zero defects. Just-in-time purchasing focuses on procuring materials or producing parts in exact quantities as needed, primarily to reduce costs by eliminating waste. Strategy interventions are used when organizational and productivity interventions are inadequate. These include business process reengineering, the 7S McKinsey's model, the balanced scorecard, and strategy maps which visually connect intangible assets to value-creating processes. Other strategy interventions include organizational culture change, which is a significant determinant of growth. Transformational dynamism redefines and reshapes organizational goals. The learning organization model emphasizes continuous learning, and knowledge management utilizes data as the basic component of organizational memory.